Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on how to do drag makeup, and I've never done it before, so we're just going to jump right into it. Okay, first, I already glued my eyebrows down. Wow. And then I already put powder on them, and they didn't disappear. And I've already got foundation on, but they still didn't go away, so now we're just going to put the foundation on the brush, and then just say goodbye to your eyebrows. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. And just like that. Stunning. Okay, so we're gonna let that dry. I'll see you in a minute. Okay, now you're gonna take this and just make eyebrows. So I'm just like that. And we're gonna come in here and we're gonna be brave. Boop. And then, yes! Perfect. Now I'm just gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. I'm gonna go for like kind of a Valentina sort of really graphic, kind of like Sasha Velour sort of brow. And they don't have to be symmetrical. Nothing is symmetrical ever. So you shouldn't even try, because it's never gonna work. And if you try it, then you're just don't try it. Okay, so I'm just gonna fill these in. Lighting, where did you go? Huh. Just gonna fill them in. Wow, these are looking so great already, and I can't even believe it. So now that, and then you just take and you just want to smoke it out. If you can see what I'm doing there, you just want to smoke it out. Oh, wow. And we're just going to do the same thing on this side. And we're going to get a nice smoky lid. Wow. And I'm going to go for a nice chill color on like the inside here. Perfect. Wow. I can't even believe this, you guys. And then we'll just do a little bit of pink right here to open up your crying line. Okay, so now we're gonna go in on this side and just do the same thing, and we're just gonna, with this side of the makeup brush, we're just gonna swirl it and smoke it out. Wow, I look fucking crazy. I look so great right now. This is, oh my god, y'all are eating this look up. Oh my god, that's the tea. That's the tea. Wow, and it just like goes, oh my god, that's the tea. Okay, so we're gonna come back in here and just grab some of this brown off of this. Off of this shadow palette. And we're just gonna come in here and thicken up the eyebrows and just make them a little bit more thick. Awesome. Now we're just gonna do this side, and you know, your brows will never be symmetrical. All right, so now we're gonna contour. We're just gonna take the same color and like color it in right here. I don't have a wig, so I'll just use a hat. That looks so good, you guys. Oh my god. You guys are gonna eat this look up. Wow. And you can see this little dangly bit. It's part of the glue layers in hair, but it kind of looks cute, right? Like a little piece of eye jewelry. Stunning! It is like getting in my eye though. It's cute, but like, okay, so now we're just gonna come in here and contour the nose. We're just gonna kind of bring this down. Wow. I am so crazy good at makeup. Holy cow. We're gonna just do this on the same. It's not the 4th. People be lighting off fireworks before it's time. But you know what? No, please tell me I don't. Perfect. This is our nose contour, and you can't, like, look at how skinny my nose just got. Wow, it's like it's like, pulls it all together. It's really just, I gotta take my eye jewelry off. That is dangerously close to getting in my eye and actually pissing me off. Just take the nose contour and just kind of blend it. We look so great already. Stunning. Now we're just gonna come in here with like maybe like this burgundy color. And just do our cheek contour. And that just kind of goes up and down to the cheek, to the side of your lip. Stunning. And then we're just gonna kind of rub that to get it blended. So the next step is gonna be kind of do it on this side. And you can even just do the one line and then come in there and blend it like that. You guys, we already look like a different person. This is so crazy. Wow. Oh. Do you see the way my skin pulls up like that? That's actually good. You want to like wrinkle your skin so that it doesn't wrinkle later on when you're older. So like you already pre-wrinkled your skin. Just gonna come back in here and go over my brows again. Just like with this like gold shimmer sort of color. Just gonna do this side now. And then just like wipe all of that extra crap away. We don't need that. We don't need you to be part of this. And that's just gonna peel up. Just so nice. Dude. So here we are. We're almost done with the look. We just need to go in with some eyeliner and maybe some makeup and a wig, which I don't have, but I will fucking figure something out, okay? Get off my back. So now we're just gonna come in here with some blush. Oh, perfect. That's just like, just enough, but not too much to make it look like crazy, you know what I mean? Like it doesn't look, this is like a look, like this is like something you could wear every day. Realistically, like for real, I almost put that on my eyelid. Do you think that would be stunning? So stunning. Cool. So now we're just gonna come in here with this eyeliner pencil, and I think you're supposed to shake it up. And we're just gonna come in here and paint our eyeliner on, and I'm gonna wing it out so hard, dude. Oh my god. Red Bull gives you wings? This shit gives you wings. And perfect, look at that. And now I just close my eyes really hard just to make sure I get it everywhere that I need it to be. This is turning out so stunning, you guys. I can't do this so you guys can see it. Look at that. You just go in and paint like the top part, and we'll just get this side bit here. Wow. That looks, I'm not gonna lie, that looks so good. You guys are gonna fucking eat this look, I swear to God. Stunning! Okay, so now we're gonna do, lipstick, and then I'm gonna make something happen for a wig, and I'll see you after that. Hey guys, we're in my bathroom, and we're just gonna put the final touches on this look, and I'm gonna do, I didn't shave, as you can probably tell, and I'm just gonna overdraw my lipstick on over my mustache and like down here, and we're just gonna go ahead, we're gonna overdraw that and just like scrub it into your mustache with a sort of reckless abandon, and wonder if you have enough skin cleanser to get this shit off, or if you'll have to go to the store like this to buy some more. Anyway, just gonna finish this up here. This is seriously the most stunning shit. So this is the final look. I've got my wig on, eyebrows on fleek. Yes, God. Other gay buzzwords. Cool. Fierce! Thank you guys for watching my drag makeup tutorial. If you want to see more, please reevaluate your decision-making skills.